Hi there! I'm giving you a closer look at this gel UV resin from Sana and show you one way that you can use it. Okay, so what I have here is a little mini geode painting that I've been working on. I made it on a domino, and when it's finished I'll attach a magnet on the back, and that's going to make a cute little fridge magnet. And now it's ready to flood with the resin. Take the resin and put a bead onto it. Now depending on what you're working on will determine how much you need. This UV resin is nice and thick, so it doesn't really self-level very quickly, so you have lots of time to work with it. So now all you need to do is gently coax the resin to the edges without going over, and you can just take your time. It doesn't get hard until it's under the UV lamp. This resin doesn't produce much bubbles, but if they're bothering you, you can go ahead and double check for those and pop them if you need to. Next, hold it upside down for about 15 to 20 seconds, and this is going to help level it out. Then get it under the lamp for a cure of 1 to 2 minutes, and that creates just a beautiful finish. And then you can do the edges with some sandpaper or paint them. I hope you found this super helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.